Okay, I think your mic is something problem. ఓకే. టుమారో మార్నింగ్ ఐ థింక్ మీరిద్దరు కనెక్ట్ అయినట్లేరు కదా క్లాస్‌కి. టుమారో మార్నింగ్.
ఈరోజు
ఈరోజు మార్నింగ్ నువ్వు
ఓకే
కూడా
సార్.
కనెక్ట్ అయ్యావా లేదా? ష్యూర్.
లేదు సార్, నేను కాలేదు సార్.
వాట్ అబౌట్ ధరణి? గివ్ మీ ఎ మెసేజ్ మా. హావ్ యూ కనెక్టెడ్ టుడే మార్నింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్?
నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ అనిపిస్తుంది.
ఫర్ యూ నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ. ఐ థింక్ నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ. ఓకే అమ్మా, నో ప్రాబ్లమ్. Actually, today I did an experiment, Kishore. What is the experiment I am trying to show you? If possible, you do. I think, do you have Google Cloud account or not? Do you have or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, I have, sir.
Okay. If GCP is there, no need to go for EKS. In that way, what about? I did an experiment. See what I did. I am trying to show you. See, I am in Windows, right? See Windows System 32. Are you agree with me? Generally, in Windows, what we may do? kubectl, right? kubectl get nodes. Check it what it is showing, what happening. I think my system is shared or not. I think shared, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, visible. Now check it and tell me what is the these are the nodes, right? What are the node name? Try to read first three letters.
GKE cluster 1,
Okay.
GKE
Generally,
cluster.
generally we are working with EKS up to till today morning also. I worked with EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Service as a server. Okay. Yeah, today I'm using GK, Google Kubernetes Engine. Google Kubernetes Engine. I'm working as a cluster. How many worker nodes? Three worker nodes I'm using. Our work is very simple because this is even free account. Minimum 3 to 6 months we may get free trial. Free trial. Even this is what about 2 core CPU? 2 core CPU. I think 4 GB RAM. 4 GB RAM. Even performance also more. I think Kishore in this way. That's why I connected here. Maybe I did 2 to 3 experiments. Finally I got connected. Really, if you want to connect, maybe try to share your screen. Maybe today or tomorrow I'll try to tell you. You may also connect in this way. You may also connect in this way. Okay. I'll try to implement today new concept. Maybe tomorrow, if you are having free time, try to interact with me. I'll tell you how to connect it.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Srinath Reddy, good evening.
వెరీ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ అండి. మీరు
Okay.
మార్నింగ్ చేసినప్పుడు బయటే ఉన్నాను.
Uh-huh.
ఇప్పుడు వస్తా ఉండ వడవాల బైపాస్ లో వస్తా ఉండ
Okay,
మార్నింగ్ వెళ్ళండి.
you are in journey. Right.
ఆ,
Today I did new experiment.
మార్నింగ్ కూడా అందుకనే 2-3 times.
I am sharing my views
ఓకే.
to Kishore. Just now you connected. Even Kishore, Srinath garu, try to read first three letters. GKE. Got it or not? GKE means Google Kubernetes Engine. See, generally we are opening browser, there you are connecting, right? No. In my local system, I connected with GK. In my local system, I connected with GK. Maybe I need to install. What about CLI for GKE? I installed in there in command prompt. GKE CLI, GKE or Cloud CLI I installed. That's what it is working. Actually, this up to today morning, I worked with your cluster. Actually, this is purely my cluster. This is purely GKE. This is purely GKE. Here, what is the advantage? There is no cost. There is no cost. Even account also may be available up to 6 months. Up to 6 months facility is there. We can easily learn. That's all in our way. Now we need to go with a new topic. New topic. I'm going to Windows Kia, MS Paint, MS Paint. Till now, what are the services we worked with? Quickly guide me. Quickly guide me. What are the total services? Well-known services. One is the pod. Second one is RC. Now, orderly we go for SCRVAC service. Next one is RC. Next one is RS. Next one is DS. Next one is deployment, deployment. After that, anyone stateful set. After that, config map, config map. After that, SCCRET secret. After that, INGRESS ingress. Any new thing? Any new thing other than this we discussed?
Horizontal, sir.
HPA, right? Very good. HPA, horizontal pod autoscaler. Technically, I am writing HORIZON, horizontal pod auto, SCALAR, I think. Autoscaler, or maybe A or E. There you know, horizontal pod autoscaler. Any other? Any other?
VPI,
Which one?
VPI, sir. Virtual port.
Virtual, virtual pod. No, no. Any other new thing? Any other new thing?
Vertical, sir. Vertical pod automation.
Vertical pod autoscaler is not there, Kishore. Virtual pod autoscaler means we're increasing the memory and what about CPU manually. Manually. Manual things are vertical. This is the automatic. Automatic means horizontal pod autoscaler. There is no virtual pod autoscaler. Kubernetes will not support virtual pod autoscaler. Okay, any new thing? Today we'll see two things. Today we'll see two things. One is the job, one is the job. Second one is the CRON, cron job. First one is the job. Second one we may go with cron job. Ah,
PVC
yeah, good. PV, PVC, yes, PV,
main.
PVC. Mainly we discussed, already we discussed that. Any other other than this? Even try to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, even I may try to give maybe 10 plus means already this is 15, right? 15 plus 15, I may go with the 10 more, I may go with the 10 more. Maybe my feeling is maximum 25 services are available, maximum 25. If my intention is, if more than 25 also is there, assume 25 plus is there, my intention is I want to provide for you 100% creators. Even if you say some service is there, I don't assume, we'll try to discuss. I said one clue, right? I said one clue. What is the clue I said? Please respond. There, try to delete this. Try to delete this. Just type A. Type A. Horizontal pod auto scalar. Is there or not? Here you need to observe first word. What is the first word? Kubernetes. Oh,
Kubernetes.
there I go with B. Any other letter? No. Any other letter? No. C. Kubernetes, a replication controller. You know, right? Persistent volume claim. You know, right? Yes. Next you go for even config map. You know, right? D. Deployment. You know, right? E. No. F. G. H. What is the H? Kubernetes horizontal pod autoscaler. You know. I ingress. You know, right? J. J means job. Even see Kubernetes job. Today, maybe hereafter we'll discuss. After J, K, even network dot are you observing networking dot k8s dot io dot v1. Where did I use this one? Anyone respond? Where did I use this one? Just simply you can say the answer. I think 2 to 3 days back I used it. Where I use it in ingress. In ingress, see, if I use ingress, see, capital I, see the thing here. What is the thing? API version. Please observe and tell me. What is the API version? Networking dot k8s dot io dot v1. I think up to where we discuss it, tell me. Control Z, I. After that J, right? Job. K, right? K. After that L, that is YAML. M, Kubernetes. C, all are YAML. But which is one? Config map. Okay, M also. Okay. O, P. Now observe and tell me any special thing is there. Till now we don't know such type of code. Persistent volume, you know. Persistent volume claim, you know. Pod, you know. and horizontal part autoscalar O P P persistent volume. Okay, again part maybe what is that? Horizontal OPQ R means replication controller. S secret service stateful set. RST T no, not belongs to this. Q T MNOPQ T after T what is the letter? MNOPQR, right?
U.
Uh,
U.
U
T. U.
after T after MNOP A B C D F G
U.
H I J
R.
K.
S.
Yeah,
T. U.
R. Assume replication control. Yes, secret service stateful set. After S,
T. T.
MNO T
U.
T
R. S. T. Yes.
T.
T. Yes.
There is no item. After that letter, tell me anyone letter.
Yusuf.
You,
U.
there is no such item.
V.
Persistent volume again same thing coming.
Only one.
W,
Yes.
W, any Kubernetes related, nothing. Got it or not?
No.
After that, W, X, Y, Y, any related to Kubernetes? No. Z, that means knowingly, unknowingly, my intention 90% resources we know already. My intention is only pending 10%. Pending 10% means any special case is there, any new development is there. Those things I need to find. I'll try to provide in front of you. My intention is I'm giving some knowledge to you as well as I am also learning something. That is my intention. I hope you got it. And now today we'll go for try to understand job concept. Job. Directly I'm opening, maybe I'm going very simple way for each understanding. I'm typing here is hmm, job, job in Kubernetes part. Job in Kubernetes part. See, if possible, every concept you need to learn in this way because of even I may take this link, I may take this link. You tell me either first link or second link, your wish. Either first link or second link.
First thing, sir.
First link, click on jobs. Click on jobs. See, this is the Kubernetes. This is the Kubernetes. This is the official documentation. Official documentation. They are providing jobs. Even just I'm increasing the font size. I think font size is increased, right? See, a job creates one or more parts and will continue to retrieve execution of the parts until a specified number of them successfully terminate. Very simple. I am given one specific task. Very simple. I am giving one task. Your task is completed. What you may say? My job is done. My job is done. Got it or not? Whatever I assigned to you, you did that one. That work is over or not. No need to run again and again. At that time, you go for the concept of job. Are you understanding or not? I'm assigning one work to you. That work is finished. Which is finished? Your job has been finished. Your job is done. In that way, in that areas, you can go with. I think anyone is trying to join. Anyone? No. Good. I'm getting some messages. Okay. No problem. Now try to understand here. Try to understand here. Now where I am in this one, right? This one. A simple case is to create one job object in order to reliably run one pod to completion. One pod to completion means up to that work is finished, our job is complete. Generally, running or understanding or not. If I create a pod, what that pod generally will do? Continuously running. Okay. I'm giving one simple example. You take this one, you try to understand it. Okay. I'm going to take here. Job concept is very simple. Control V. Control V. See API version batch/V1. Batch/V1. Till now, I think four versions. One is the V1. Anyone can tell me what are the different versions? Different versions till now. I think maybe 2 days back also we discussed. One is the V1. I'm going to notepad. Please tell me. One is the V1. I think I provided for you in front of you. These are the words very very important. These words are very very important. Now one is the V1. What I provide second one. Apps slash V1. What is the next one? Networking. Networking.
Networking.
Networking dot k8s
IO.
k8s dot io slash v1. Or now batch batch slash v1 slash v1. Even somewhere we have seen beta something, right? Beta 1 or beta 2 something. Got it or not? Beta 1, beta 2. Alpha version is there. Generally, alpha, 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 and beta. I am giving clarity for you. What is the alpha means standard version. Beta means something experimental. Beta is the trial version. Try to remember. Wherever beta is there, that is the trial one. That is the trial one. Doing experiments on that. Alpha means everything is fine. That is the standard release. Standard release is nothing but alpha. You never see alpha word. You never see alpha word. We can see beta only. Why you never see alpha word? That is standard version. LTS. Somewhere you are seeing, right, long term support. Such type of versions are nothing but alpha related version. ALPHA, alpha related versions. I hope you got it. Now we are moving to here. First word API version batch V1. Kind is job. This is important. Kind is job. Now what next? Please respond here. Here is the metadata. Metadata. Name is pi. The mathematics in mathematics. What is pi, Kishore? What is pi? Is nothing but pi. Mathematics. Pi. Pi
Right.
is equal to
Yes, sir.
22 by 7, right? 22 by 7. What does it mean? 3.31, maybe something 45. 3.3145. It will give the result. It will give the result. Now here you know this. Even I can implement Windows key or CALC. CALC. What is CALC? Here is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. What is by 7? Where is the result? This one, right? And now tell me 3.142857. How many digits it is giving? Even try to count 1, 2. Maybe assume maximum 17. Maximum, I think 17. I think 17 are counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Now, after that, how many fractions I got? How many digits I got? 31. But our part will give after fraction 2000 digits. Anyone try to respond? After dot 3 point, how many digits system is performing? 2000 digits in our scenario. I'll try to explain within a minute. Where is that? Here. Now observe here. What is the code I took here? What is the code? Here is print BPI, BPI, BPI. How many digits you want to print? How many digits you want to print? 2000
2000.
digits you want to print. What is the value of pi value? Pi value. For that they took per image. Wherever it is, yeah, wherever it is created, that is not a problem. Even many people know in Docker, till now we created which type of images, everybody know it, I think. Which type of images still we are creating? Maximum Java images. Are you agree with me or not? Maximum Java images. Maybe in future, in our batches, new batch, I go with Python image also. Python image also. Even Flask image like that. Even we can go for, how many of you know NPM? NPM means, have you heard that word? NPM, Node Package Manager. Nowadays, very popular .js, and also very popular. I think the word I forgot. I will tell you within a minute. Node package manager. Front end is JavaScript. Back end is Node.js. Node.js. How many of you know the word JS and Node.js? JS means what? JavaScript, right? JavaScript. Node.js is nothing but backend. Node.js is nothing but backend. What Node.js supports? .json files. Which files Node.js supports? .json files. Our data will be stored in the form of JSON. Again, you can extract. Again, you can extract. Even such type of image also we may work with in this fresh batch. In this fresh batch, maybe if you are not able to attend, if any new concept I took in what about in this batch? I can paste it into our existing groups also. I can provide in existing groups. Okay. Here our intention is what? Anyone respond? Our intention is what? This is the kind is job. See restart policy. What is the restart policy here? What is the restart policy?
Never touch.
Never means how many times will execute Kishore? How many times will execute? Only one time.
Only.
Only one time. Maybe only one time is execute. What is the meaning of this? Back off limits. Back off limit in the sense, back off limit in the sense, if image is not available, oh, it will check for second time. If image is not available, check for third time. If image is not available, check for fourth time. From fifth time onwards, it won't check. Why? See, I came to your home. You told me, sir, please come at 8 o'clock. I will be available. I came at 8 o'clock. You are not available. Again, I came at 8:30. You are not available. Again, I came at 9 o'clock. Not available. Again, I came at 9:30. Then what I may do? I may move to my home. Why? Four times I checked, right? Four times I checked. In that way, they given back off limit. Back off limit. Got it or not? Back off limit. Okay. Specifies the number of. See, read it clearly. It is giving right. Specifies the number of retries before making the job failed. Default to 6. How many times it may check maximum? How many times it may check by default? Clearly they mentioned, right? That is the advantage. Tooltip. See, 6 times it will check for getting the which information? This image information. This image information. If not able to getting, keep on checking 6 times. Finally, it will exit. Finally, it will exit. Anyway, I am trying to execute this. I am trying to execute this. Where is that? Where is that? I clicked someone. I think which one I click, or otherwise control here. Delete it. Delete it. What happened? Control A, delete. This one only, right? Yes. I am copying this. Copying this. Right. Copy. Copy. Where I want to go? In Windows. In Windows. This one, right? Now guide me. I am trying to take notepad. I am trying to increase. I think plus plus. Why it is not able to increasing? It will increase, right? How can I increase? How can I increase? This is the way we can increase this. Properties. This is not Linux, right? This is not Linux. I know. The processor, bold item. I think is it visible, right? Now notepad. Now notepad. JOB. I am giving dot YML. Just yes. I am pasting here. Good. Good. Now everything is fine. Even see once again. Once again. See command. Which command is I think you know in Docker CMD entry point. Entry point. How did we use? I want to print a welcome message. How can I write CMD and entry point? I want to print welcome message. How can I use CMD and entry point? Anyone can observe and tell me? If you know that one, here is also very easy. CMD with open square bracket and closing square bracket. What I want to print? Welcome, right? Welcome, assume. Welcome. If you want to print welcome, you need to use echo statement, right? You need to use echo. I hope are understanding or not. With one calm space. This is the right way. Even you won't write like this, you won't write like this. Here space is there, here space is there, here also space is there. This is the right way. Even entry point also same thing. What is the way? After entry point, even here is good. Here is no need to give space. Here no need to give space. After this only we need to provide space. Again echo. Maybe assume ls ls. After that hyphen L. Got it or not? ls hyphen L. Now even I want to print date command. Anyone respond? Either through CMD or entry point. I want to print date command. Who will tell? I want to print date command. Date, very simple. Echo, not echo. CMD, simply square bracket. It is the date, that's all. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. I hope you are understanding or not. This is the general message. For message, what we are using is the command. Here nothing is there. We are printing date. I want to print date format. Maybe like this. What is that? MM, then DD, then YY. Now guide me. Now guide me through CMD. How do I may print? How do I may print? It is CMD.
Square
uh, CMD square bracket, then date, after that, comma, after that, plus or percentile, percentile,
percent.
any, tell me, percentile,
Daily.
capital M, percentile, capital M, I think it will give that format, or otherwise, DD, hyphen, percentile, YY, DDMM, right, hyphen, percentile, YYY. Then you go for like this, just a square bracket. Got it or not? This is the way we can place. Even here one space is there. Here I think one space is there. Or otherwise, the best way is use plus here. Now comma, this is the good way. This is the good way. Like that we can implement. Like that we can implement. Same way they given parallel something something. Now I written somewhere. I think I written somewhere. I think here only I written, right. This one. Try to remove it. Try to remove it. Escape, shift. I think no need to give shift column. Please tell me how can I execute this? kubectl,
Apply.
kubectl apply hyphen f job dot yml. That's all. yml. If everything goes fine, yeah, execute it. Now you want to see jobs. kubectl. This is also very very important. kubectl get job, get job. Now one job got created, right? See, my job got created. Completion 0 by 1. Now it is not running, duration, how many seconds it is taking? 11 seconds. Even up arrow, again get job, again get job. Even for 25 seconds over. The same way will go in this way. In this way. Now my intention is what? kubectl get parts. See, something happened. kubectl get parts. Get parts. Here so many are running, right? First I'll try to remove kubectl, delete, kubectl delete all, hyphen all. First I'll try to remove everything. Then you get the clarity. Just keep on deleting. Okay, good. Now try to once again implement kubectl apply. Directly go for kubectl get job, not get job, get pod. And now try to observe what happens. Creating container. Observe carefully. Once again, creating container. Good. Creating container. Yeah, running. Observe carefully what happens.
strategy, running.
Yeah, understood, right? First creating, after that running. Work is finished. Which work is finished? Job. We use the job, right? Kind. What is the duty of kind job? Our work is finished. It will automatically complete. It will automatically complete. You may ask me. I want to see the output, right? You want to see the output, right? How can you see kubectl? Please, anyone guide me. How can I see kubectl logs? Kubectl logs. Then you go for partner. Then you go for partner. Check it. Check it. What I said. What I said. See the starting digit 3.14. 3.1415. What I said, Kishore. How many
Yes, sir.
digits?
I was
2000, 2000 digits in fraction. 2000 digits in fraction. System is displayed. Got it or not? Generally, where we can go such type of scenario in the sense scientific, SCIENTA, scientific calculations, calculations, calculations. Then only you can go for scientific analysis, scientific analysis. Is it clear for you? Is it clear for you? Batch will support only two types of policies. Once again, I am going to give clarity. Where is the notepad? Notepad, notepad, notepad. Now try to understand. Restart policy. Only two will support. One is never. Second one is on failure. It never
all.
on failure. On failure. Always it won't support here. Which one will not support? Job will support only two things. Only two things. One is what? Never. Second one is on failure. It won't support always. But in general, maybe pod, maybe deployment, maybe RC, maybe RS. What is the default restart policy? Always. I hope you got the clarity or not. Even don't think about this. This is not till now we didn't discuss. I'll tell you. What is the meaning of TTL seconds after finished? After 100 seconds, Kishore, after 100 seconds, it will clean up the resource. Why we need to clean up?
Project job is completed, sir.
Job is finished, right? We don't want that resource. Automatically, you try to complete after 100 seconds. After, and it will clear from the memory. It will clear from the memory by using TTL. Anyone know TTL stands for? TTL stands for? I think many times you heard about that. TTL stands for time to live. Time to live. Time to live means only up to that time you may live. Then after that you may go. Generally, I am using what is the word? GONE, gone. Gone means what? Override. Override. I think not required. He went. That is nothing but that is nothing but gone. That is nothing but your object we are using gone. Maybe human. I may say event. Just now event. Generally we say right like that. It can release from the memory. It can release from the memory. I hope you got the clarity about Java or not. Little bit clarity, have you got it or not? Our work is finished. What we may do? We may clear that. You don't want to continue. You don't want to continue. At that time scenarios, you go for the job. What is the next scenario? You try to understand once again. I think we open, right? Now see how to see this kubectl log. You want to see the output. You want to see the output. Kubectl logs. Everything here is there. Same thing only happen, right? Same thing only happen, right? Even I am also not doing speciality. I am trying to understanding. I am trying to give. This is the restart policy. Restart policy. What does it mean? Restart policy. Again and again you need to see restart policy. Here see only restart policy equals to never or what is that? On failure is allowed. Which is allowed? This is the examination question. This is the examination question. If you write online examination, job concept or job resource will allow in restart policy. Which one? Never or on failure. On failure. If anything goes wrong, again it will restart. Now I go for cron job, cron job, CRON, cron job, cron job, Kubernetes, cron job, Kubernetes pod. What is the meaning of cron? Cron job means based on the time related. Based on the time related. See, cron job creates jobs on repeating schedule. Again and again, I want to repeat. Again and again, I want to repeat. For every minute, I want to run. For every minute, I want to run. I'm taking once again simple example. Simple example. Just taking this. Now I go for where I am going. Here, notepad, notepad, notepad. C job. C job means cron job dot ym. That is, I am giving like that. Here, our intention is try to understand what happening. Now, this is the kind is cron job. Name is hello or schedule. I think everybody know this meaning, right? What does it mean? 5 stars means anyone respond? What is the meaning of 5 stars? What is the meaning of 5 stars? Please respond. First star, second star, third star, fourth star, fifth star. What is the first star represents? For every minute. First star for every minute. Star represents first star represents hyphen. Okay. For it is only represents minutes for every minute. EVER for every minute. What is the next one? What is the next one represents? It represents minutes. What it represents? Anyone tell me? Second one. Hours, right? Hours. Third one. Third one. Third one. Day of month. Month. Fourth one. Day of month. Day of month. Fifth one, weekday. Day of week. Day of week. Day of. I hope you got it. Every minute it will run. Every minute it will run. Now what it is saying? Busy box is there. Simply it is printing date. It is printing date. For your understanding purpose, I am having here Linux. Linux somewhere Linux is there. Check it. Where is the Linux? If not there, I will try to connect to Linux because you need to know that. You need to know that. Somewhere I am having Linux. Linux. I mean, disconnected or not? Okay. In Linux, I think someone is trying to connect. No. Who is there? Kishore, Dharani. Oh, Srinath gone, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Kishore, what is our intention? See, image pull policy. What does it mean? Only try to understand this one. Many times we have seen image pull policy. If not present, what does it mean? This image is not downloaded. What will you do? If not present, try to download. If already there, don't go for. Already there, don't go for. I see schedule. What is the schedule? What does it mean? What does it mean? We can write this one also. This is also right one. This is also right one. What does it mean? Within an hour, each minute. Within an hour, each minute. What is the simple one? Applying star is very simple. What is the containers? This is important. Which command applying? Bin sh hyphen c command. Which command applying? Date command. Echo hello from the Kubernetes cluster. Restart policy. What is the restart policy we used? On failure. If really failure, you may restart. If really failure, you may restart. Here what simply for every minute it will run. We'll see the clarity. We'll get the clarity. Just close this. Yes. Where is that? Now tell me. kubectl. kubectl. First delete all hyphen all. Why? You need to see only that specific. You make it. It will run multiple times. That's why I'm removing everything. Now nothing is there. Okay. Nothing. See, even there we use the TTL, right? That's why nothing is showing. Nothing is showing. After 100 seconds, automatically previous job got deleted. Previous job is released from the memory. And now what is our intention? kubectl apply 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 hyphen f which job c job dot yml. Now try to understand. Now created kubectl. Observe kubectl get cron job cron job. Observe here what system is showing. See what is the cron job name? Hello. Schedule is what? This is the schedule. Suspended till now not suspended anything. Active means running. I'll show you that also. Even keep on observe. After 60 seconds, automatically it will become active Manjana. It will active Kishore. I'll show you that also. There we mention timing. First 5 seconds it may be active. Observe and tell me really active or not. Every minute running, right? First 5 seconds it must be active. Even now observe, not showing for active, right? Not showing for active. Even I'll show you some other example. We will see. It is completing quickly. It is completing very quickly. Okay. How many times it is executed? We'll see. kubectl get parts. Get parts. See here. See here. Completed. Before completed, what it may happen? Anyone tell me? Before completed, somewhere it is running, right? Are you agree with me or not? See, creating one option may come. After creation, starting one option may come. After
Yes,
starting,
sir.
what?
Complete.
Completed. Even again, third time, see, you may get after 60 seconds, you may get third one. Even see, once it is finished, second one, you may 60 seconds are over, you may get third one also. Even there you can see third one at least. Quickly you can see. Got it or not? Third one also got it. For every minute, we are getting, for every minute getting one. This is cron job. Cron job means repetitive task. Repetitive task based on the specified time. Based on the specified time. I hope you got the clarity or not. Even see, again we go for kubectl get. kubectl get. Where is that? kubectl get cron job. Cron job I use, right? kubectl get cron job. Okay, not E not suspended, no active. We'll see the actually active. I have seen in previous example. At least we can see 2 seconds or 1 second. 2 seconds or 1 second. But anyway, we need to see the output, right? kubectl. First you go for the pod. kubectl get pods. kubectl their container creating, at least you can see that creating
Yes, sir.
first second only created, even get parts. Okay, again completed, again you may get completed, right? Again you may get completed. And now my intention is you need to see the output, right? kubectl
That means
logs.
previous one is will be deleted, sir.
That I think three only getting, maybe there we mentioned some, what is that, maybe how many times it is going, how many parts going to run continuously. We'll check it once again. kubectl get parts, only three is available, right? Three is only available. Even fourth one, it is deleting. We'll check it, fourth one is also get it or not. Wait for continuously you may get. We'll see only three or four. See fourth one also getting, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after getting fourth one, internally it is removing. We'll check the part first. We'll check the our code notepad. See, in code, did we mention anything? No, right? In our code, did we mention anything? Anything? This is if not present, okay. Command, okay. Date we are printing on failure. If it is any failure, then only try to import. That is not the thing. Okay, anyway, you are getting only three parts, right? We'll check it on that. We'll check it. Actually, we may get continuous. Okay, anyway, no problem here. What is my intention is you want to see the output. How can you see? Kubectl, kubectl,
Log.
logs. Any one part. What is the latest part? Maybe otherwise old part I may go with. This part is there or not, we need to check first. If part is there, we may get out. That part is not there. I think that is removed from the memory. Removed from the memory. Okay, kubectl. This one maybe there or not. Check it. Must be there, right? See, the Tuesday, September 5, hello from the Kubernetes cluster. Hello from the even cron job internally doing how many parts it is running continuously, three parts only running, remaining automatically removing from the memory. Remaining automatically removing from the memory. That is the internal representation. We'll check on that. We'll check on that. Till now, is it clear or not? Tell me. In the same way, we'll go for the some more one or two cron jobs. One or two cron jobs. See, they mention something. Running automated task with the cron job takes you through this example in more details. See, writing a cron job specification. Here is the minute 0 to 59 hour. There they are giving star. First star represent minute, second star represent hour, third star represent day of the month, third star represent month name, fifth star represent day of the week. Already you know this, right? Already you know this. Clear or not? This one already you know. There are multiple things they give. Modifying a cron job creation, multiple things they provide. Theoretically, they provided. Example you got. Example you got. Today we understood one is the job, second one is the cron job. Anyone differentiate? What is the difference between job and cron job? Job is there and cron job is there. CRON, cron job. Job is nothing but single time activity. Single time activity. For this, what is the policy? What is the policy? POLOCY. Policy either may never, or on failure, right? On FAIL. Here is cronja. Cronja is the repetitive task. If you want to repeat your task, if you want to for repetitive purpose, repetitive for repetitive task. You go for repetitive job. Job continuously again and again, same job you need to run. Even you need to specify number of times also to go for CRON, cron. Okay. Till now, try to understand. Tomorrow morning, we may go with the new task. Maybe I may try for tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, I may try for R back. I'll try for that. Maybe up to it may support or not. We'll try it. We are using fully managed, right? Fully managed. How much it will support? We'll check it. R back. BAC. RBAC means role based access control. Role based access control. At least I'll try to give one or two examples of that. One. Okay, till now try to observe remaining things. We'll discuss tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning we may go with RBAC. Only at least we will give the theory topic. First I may give first half an hour theory, or otherwise based on the requirement, I may go with practical session also. What does it mean? You know the abbreviation, right? Role based access control. Here only four terms, Kishore. Only four terms. One is the role, ROLE role. Second one is role binding. Role binding. Role binding. Next one is cluster role. CLUSTR. Cluster role. Next one is cluster, role binding. If you know these four terms properly, which concept is clear? RBAC is clear. What is RBAC? Please repeat it. Role based access control. Role based access control. It is the role is there, role binding is there. Cluster role is there, cluster role binding is there. We'll try to complete tomorrow. We'll try to finish. Any doubt, try to ask me. Otherwise, we can wind the session. Can I stop the session?
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
we can.
Okay.